from a web development background. Like my course is mechatronics. We have a lot of like C hash and like Python, but not really web development. Sir like helped me gain my confidence in web development. Like I learned a lot about APIs, MongoDB, databases and all, and a lot of practical experience by actually coding. And like sir really helped me with the fixing the bugs and all, so that we could move on to the next step. And it really improved my skill set a lot, and like I'm not that scared of like web development anymore or making APIs.
So you might get a job opportunity where full stack is
Yes.
so now you got the confidence to take
Yes,
it
now
up.
a lot more confidence has been building.
I'm very happy that so even though you are not from computer science background, you came here and you learnt all these things.
Yes.
And I could see so something you are doing it with focus, and I could see the output what you are generating. Very happy for you.
Thank you.
Can we move on next? So what are you are learning? So then how you want to recommend this for your friends? So any improvements to be done for this course? Can you speak on that?
Yes, from the past 1 week, we've learned a lot of stuff regarding the databases and APIs. Before coming to this course, I didn't knew much about the APIs and this MongoDB stuff. After attending your course, through your teachings, I've learned so much about MongoDB.
So the main thing what we have covered here is the database, which would be consisting of around 50% of the topic, because NoSQL is new to you, MongoDB is new to you, so you came from the SQL background. So that is the reason. So we have focused around 50% of the topics on MongoDB. Then after learning about database design, so then how optimally design a database for a practical use cases like gaming or whatever the examples which I had given. So then we moved on how these database things can be leveraged in an API level. So the main focus was API literacy. So everybody should be able to understand how to write the APIs, how to consume it, how to test the APIs. So these were the focus of the course. So from that perspective, so how do you recommend this for your friends? So what is things to be improved? So could you brief on that point?
Yeah, I would surely recommend to any of my juniors, or be it any friends, especially for the beginners who are entering into this field. I would surely recommend this.
Okay. So do you think for your the project work in upcoming days, or it could be that industry experience, so will this help from that perspective?
Yeah, for sure. The projects related to web development, be it or any like certain back-end projects or something like that, it would be really helpful for that.
So continue this learning. So whatever we have taught in the last 7-8 days, so continue practicing more with different use cases, and you surely able to do it for your mini projects, summer internship, so whatever you planning to do. So these kind of tech stacks will definitely add up on to your knowledge, and will help you to decide what kind of project you want to take it up. Thank you. Can we move on with
So I'm not from Mahe. I was my friend recommended this course. My friend recommended this course. So actually, I didn't know anything about database till now, and this course definitely has helped me. It is really beginner friendly, and I would definitely recommend this. And the 3-hour per day 3-hour teaching is really good, with a break of 10 to 15 minutes. And sir has also kept it interesting by showing us videos and also keeping questions in between the teaching, and has kept the classes interactive. And definitely I would recommend others as well, from other institutions as well, and juniors.
So being non-Mahe, so do you recommend it for non-Mahe institutes? So these kind of courses?
Yeah, definitely. This is beginner friendly, and also no prior knowledge is required, and anyone from other institution can also join.
Thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Can you proceed?
I'm a CS from CS department. So what I felt was this course was really great. It helped me a lot because I know a bit of front end development, so it bridges the both of the concepts. What I felt was the first MongoDB part was fine for me, but the remaining part, Node.JS, was a bit fast for me.
Okay.
So yeah, overall it was fine.
Okay. So now you are full stack developer. So you knew front end. So now back end, whichever you were not part of it earlier. So I hope at least what is MongoDB, the basics of it, how to write a basic API. So that part is clear to you. So I would suggest practice more of JavaScript and this API writing. So we had to shrink it down with the number of days. So whatever we had planned. So but some kind of justice has been given to it with the practical concepts like leaderboard, achievements, for a game kind of scenarios, how you have to develop it. So that interactive discussions we had. So now it's up to you. So you practice more API writing and testing it. So that will definitely help you. Thank you.
Myself Pragya. So this course has enhanced my learning wherein I was able to create and integrate the API with the whatever instances which we need. So this course has provided me peer-to-peer support, and also sir has ensured that there is interactive learning wherein we'll be doing our stuff over here, and he was also doing us videos and all the resources which we'll have to go through and understand the concepts. So this has enhanced my learning wherein I was able to get to know about backend, and also I knew some stuff of front end. So hereby I was able to integrate those two and enhance. Yeah.
So do you like doing the coding along with the session? So we used to do the interactive coding, and I used to prepare you before coming to the class. So you need to come installation of this software, and these are the exercises you have to do. So how do you rate the exercises has been worked out in the class?
That was fantastic.
Okay. Thank you. Tejas, so can you give the feedback?
So I am from IT department. So this course has been a wonderful experience because sir giving his industry experience about gaming. We all play games, but knowing how it actually functions with all of those million users in the background, it's actually a huge thing that sir has taught us. So this is not only in gaming, but it will also help us in different projects that we'll have to do in the upcoming semesters. So overall, it was a very interactive session with all the coding that we have done in the class, and also the videos, the PPTs.
Okay. So do you prefer so having another session with the advanced version of this? So that so in case we will be conducting again, are you ready to come for another advanced session?
Yeah, that's I'm always ready because now we have learned the basics, but again, so when you give the leaderboard, the perspective of scalability and optimization is still what we have not been very good at. So maybe more focus on that and other aspects of backend would be.
So basically we could touch only few modules of a game, so like leaderboard, achievements. There are so 100 plus these kind of modules when it comes to a real-time coding of the gaming. So we have touched only few parts of it, definitely. So we will able to provide more content which is advanced or similar content. So practice more programs. So we'll see in future if any opportunity comes, we will have another course.